QX150LD is a diesel heating crack sealing machine, independently developed and produced by our company, and has patent certificate. The main features of this series are unique human body safety design, stainless steel liner, heating time less than 30 minutes, adopting imported Honda generator or diesel generator, Italy Riello burner, heating tube length more than 5 meters, 6 meters optional, simple and flexible operation, durable steel material, German AL KO chassis, can be towed 20 kilometers an hour, equipped with dual-purpose plugs for city power and generator, and the volume can be customized according to customer requirements. Application areas: road, pavement crack sealing, and asphalt melting, heating, etc.